Welcome back everyone, and thanks for joining me today. In this video, I will show you how to change the text size in the Vivaldi browser on your phone. If text feels too small or too large while browsing, first, open the Vivaldi browser on your phone. Next, tap on the Vivaldi icon at the top right. From this menu, scroll down and select the Settings option to access browser preferences. After that, scroll down and tap on Content Settings. After that, tap on Accessibility to open text and display options. Under the default text size section, you will see a slider. Move the slider left or right to decrease or increase the text size instantly. The changes apply immediately, allowing you to preview the new text size while browsing. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to the channel, liking the video, and sharing it with others.